All right, here we are in the Catskill Mountains. We're gonna bang out Sugarloaf. We're over at Pecoy Notch, and we're gonna have a great looper that we're gonna do here. We'll get some great views. We got a great mountain, big boulder scrambles. Beautiful day. We're going blue. Love it. I'm so psyched. I got my finger gloves on, finger glove weather. When things start getting pretty cool.
Shadows are calling, I've been down all day.
Sweet shelter.
My mind's running.
Man, I love these Catskills. I love them. We're going up there, Sugarloaf, up these beautiful stairs into the sun.
In the afternoon,
Get some sick views.
of orange blossom days, hummingbirds rest above where we lay. You say it's okay, no need to fret. The weight of it all will ease as we find the balance in each step we make. Swinging by the fall in a pomegranate tree. The wind
These rocks are amazing on Sugarloaf. Look at this. In the winter time, these ice up like nothing else, and they become blue ice on here. But it's just an outstanding mountain. It makes you earn your keep. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? Is this place amazing? It always amazes me. It's a great. Whoa. What a great mountain. Seems like we're running out of mountain. We're getting up there. Great trail movements. Ooh. Look at this, all the way up here. Boards, stairs. If you're wondering what the top of Sugarloaf Mountain looks like in the Catskills, peaks of the mountains. They're so peaceful. They smell great. I say that every single time because it's true every single time. Fresh, cold air up here. Nice, crisp. Shouldn't say cold, crisp air. Let me get out to the sun and get some more views. Cool spot. The Devil's Path is real, no doubt about that. What's up, brother?
Enjoying the view.
I'm with you, dude. And the sun, the heat.
I mean, it's just fucking beautiful.
I'm with you, bro.
Have a good night, man.
Peace. Sugarloaf Mountain, Catskills, New York. Beautiful day. Money, awesome.